Hey, this is Jeff Hartman and welcome to my beautiful new listing here in illustrious Sherman Oaks at 13979 Riverside Drive. It is a spectacular 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo, and here conveniently located in between the 405 and 101 freeways. Easy access to Burbank with the studios, hop skip jumping away from downtown LA, just over the hill from the beaches, and down the street from Trader Joe's Market in Hazeltine Park, where there's a running track, tennis courts, tons of community activities. I cannot wait to show you this gorgeous townhome. Come on, let's have a look. So here we are in this absolutely stunning townhouse. You've got whitewashed, wide panel laminate flooring throughout the first floor, light and bright kitchen, accented by thick, crisp cut Carrera style countertops with matching banquette table, white subway tile, premium Kenmore appliances, built-in stove, free-floating hood, incredible for entertaining. You know, you got this bar area here, wide open to the living room here with this fireplace, and you've got the lounge area and or dining area right adjacent. So here we are in the expansive master. You've got double pane windows behind me, which keep things nice and quiet. So here we are at the master walk-in shower. Beautiful frameless enclosure. You gotta see this walk-in closet. Behind this door is an incredible shoe rack for your collection. Really good sized second bathroom upstairs, tub, shower, really nice glass enclosure. Really nice separation between the master bedroom and the second bedroom. And conveniently located on the top floor is the laundry. You have washer and dryer, nice area for here, super convenient. So here we are in the second bedroom. You got the windows behind me, beautiful treetop views, double pane windows again. And then you have a walk-in closet in the second bedroom as well. Nice cabinets, good storage, plenty of space. So not only is this townhome gorgeous, but it's also super functional. Got this great storage area under the stairwell. It's a Harry Potter closet, super deep and just goes around the bend. You can fit tons of stuff. Next, we've got the first floor guest bath. Nice, quaint, white glazed tile, super conveniently located. It's adjacent to the den or media room or even your third bedroom. So here we are in this absolutely beautiful setting in your private, exclusive backyard patio. Very serene setting, perfect place for entertaining. Can be a play area if you'd like. The options are boundless. Got this stunning tree right here in front of me, and it's just so nice to be able to take a deep breath and have your own slice of heaven here in Sherman Oaks. So here we are in this great sized 2-car garage. Seems like ample space for 2 good sized SUVs. And behind me, we've got this great use of space, these built-ins over here for storage up top. This is so unique for a townhome to have this type of garage space